Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra's new camera details have been published by a very reliable source. It was previously claimed that the new Galaxy S26 Ultra will get a massive boost in the camera department. According to the latest available data, which makes Samsung's fans unhappy, the new top-end flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, isn't getting a new sensor for the main camera and other big changes. Let's dive into the video for full details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a major leap forward, refining the Ultra experience with a host of meaningful upgrades. As competition in the flagship smartphone space heats up, the South Korean tech giant is doubling down on innovation, aiming to raise the bar in performance and overall user experience. But, in the camera department, Samsung is not making major improvements in this regard. According to a well-known tech leaker, the Ice Universe, published on X Post, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't getting a new sensor for the main camera. The leaker Ice Universe just poured cold water on people hoping for a sensor upgrade on the 200-megapixel main camera setup on the future Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra flagship. However, there is still a fairly important upgrade coming, says the tech tipster. The new Samsung S26 Ultra will use the same ISOCELL HP21 by 1.3-inch sensor that Samsung has been using since the S23 Ultra variant. That means, Samsung will not launch new Galaxy S devices with Sony's new larger sensor. However, Ice Universe reports that Samsung will improve the lens with a wider f1.4 aperture. This would let 47% more light reach the sensor, compared to the f1.7 lens on the S25 Ultra. An f1.4 aperture may not be the best for daylight shots, however a solution for that already exists. Remember when certain Galaxy S models had a dual aperture? The Galaxy S10e, S10 and S10 Plus were the last to have this feature, and could switch between f1.5 and f2.4. Indeed, the insider mentioned that Samsung is considering resurrecting this feature. And now we know why bringing back this feature would be necessary. In other hardware departments, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to ship with the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset and One UI 8.5 shell, a bigger screen and, possibly, bigger battery, with faster charging to speed in Samsung's timeline, plus a number of camera upgrades, including a new telephoto module. It is expected that the new Galaxy S26 Ultra will launch in January 2026, alongside the Galaxy S26 Pro and the slimmer Galaxy S26 Edge flagships. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.